Liquified natural gas will play an important role in the coming decade by replacing traditional fossil fuels. This trend is accompanied by an increasing demand for its safe storage and transportation, which can be very challenging since the fuel must be stored inside large tanks operating at cryogenic temperatures in highly corrosive offshore environments. I am developing a real-time monitoring system that uses passive sensors based on surface acoustic waves, which will provide real-time information of the condition of those tanks by detecting the onset of corrosion on the tank walls. This technology will eliminate the need for regular physical inspections of the tanks in dry docks and reduce the possibility of potentially dangerous accidents.